everybody, welcome back. This will be May 2016's Ipsy versus Birchbox. We'll do the Ipsy bag. It is a pretty design. It's all things different countries are known for, which I think is pretty cool. And I think this month was about travel. And also this month, like they did in March, there were at least 2 different color bags. This is the purple bag I have, and then there was a hot pink, more of a hot coral, because it had a little orangey undertone to it. But it's made of the material like you would put a wet swimsuit in, or like a wet diaper bag type of thing. So it's easy, clean, wipe off. See, I got a natural mineral coconut eyeshadow trio from Pacifica. It's in, wait a minute, it's called Skinny Dip Crush Lovely. Maybe those are the 3 shades. Yep, Skinny Dip Crush Lovely. Can you see the colors? Okay, that top color was very, okay, they are very pale colors. What is happening? Hold on. They're very muted. Hope you can see that. I mean, they're pretty, but they are very muted. But they do have a shimmer to them. So I guess this would work well as a, I guess, a no makeup or a light makeup look. But there's the highlighter shade. It's very pale. I hope you guys can see them. They're very pretty colors. They're really blendable together, so that's cool. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else. I got the Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. It has shea butter and rose hip. Trying to see what it smells like. Oh wow, it has a Vaseline consistency, but it starts to melt when it hits your skin, so your body heat will melt it down a little bit. Not bad. It's a very light scent. I'm very excited about the Smashbox X-Rated Mini Deluxe mascara. Look at those bristles. They're gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this. Then I got the Hikari Shimmer Bronzer in Radiate. I always like to get things from Hikari because they're usually full size. So these are the 4 colors. Let's see if I got space to put them on me. Okay. These are very pretty colors. Hope you guys can see them all. They're very pretty. I mean, and they're going to look gorgeous on me. They're very mutable on me. But I like that. So, that's pretty cool. And the last item is Remarkable People, Etat Libre d'Ange. It's a perfume. It's an ambitious, audacious perfumery, passionate, exuberant, liberated, free to create, free to love, and be loved. This is a different kind of perfumery, intelligent with a point of view. It has grapefruit, champagne accord, cardamom, jasmine, curry, black pepper, gorgamand accord, labdanum, and sandalwood. So we did get a really nice size sample. Let's find an arm. Oh, I like that. It's light, but it has like these, it has all these different hints. You hit the citrus, you get the little bit of the pepper, I think I said was in there. And oh, that's a really nice scent. Oh, I like that. I may look into buying that one. So in Ipsy's box, we got the 4 quad bronzers, which can also be used as eyeshadows, which I think is cool. We got a Pacifica Trio eyeshadow, Smashbox mascara, a lip balm by the Organic Pharmacy, and then a, what's it called? Remarkable People perfume. Alright, we're going to move on to the Birchbox, which is a pretty box. It's all painted. Okay. Last month, the paper was ripped. This month, I didn't get any tissue paper at all. Like, it doesn't bother me, I guess. Well, I guess I am a little bothered by it because you're supposed to be selling a product, a uniform product. I'm not saying everybody's boxes are going to have the same items, because they're not. But they should be shipped and mailed the same way. That's all I'm saying. Presentation is everything. This one says, let's take this party outside, shall we? So this is about outside. Let's see. I got the Kula Classic Sunscreen. This is the white tea scent. It's supposed to be sport. So it's supposed to, you know, withstand a little sweat and outsideness, which is cool because I did choose this one because I am a big fan of the Kula. I didn't have the sport one that I tried last time. I have another perfume. Let's see, what's this? Clean Blossom. Do not tell me there. Oh, here we go. It is a delicate floral fragrance inspired by natural springs scattered with freshly fallen petals, transporting you to a floral escape, feminine and elegant, with notes of Tunisian, neroli, and sensual sandalwood. They say I can layer this with warm cotton, but I don't have warm cotton to try, so. Okay, right now I'm in the alcohol phase. It's not bad. It is light. It's actually clean. That's fine. I'm not gonna buy it. Then I got a Burt's Bees Pink Blossom Tinted Lip Balm. Alright, I'm gonna try to open it. There we go. It's a pink tint. It's a very sheer pink, so I like that. That'd be nice to wear. But it doesn't have an SPF in it. Does it say? No. So this is definitely not an outdoor by itself shade. I received the Ico Skinny Mini Liquid Eyeliner in black. Oh, it's a cap. It's a cap. It's just really cute. Look at that. wow, very light pressure was needed to make a line, and that's a very black line, which is really cool. What else did we get? Okay, I got a shampoo and conditioner foil package by Divines. They're the, I don't know if they call them OI or the OI shampoo and conditioners. It's with raku oil. They're supposed to beautify your hair. I got the foil packets of those, so I will try them. I will say Divine is it's a nice product. It is. I just don't enjoy the scents of Divine, because I think this is the third set of Divine shampoo and conditioners that I've gotten from Ipsy. They also sent me the Divine's Oi all-in-one milk. Supposed to spray it in your hair as a leave-in. Oh, this is like old rubber or something. I don't know, they try to dress up rubber. It reminds me of like a tire store, car parts store. That's horrifying. Who wants that on their hair? I will try it to see what the jam is, but then I will also apply some other things on top, because I don't like that. Alright, so from Birchbox we got the Divine's Oi milk, we got the spray, the shampoo, the conditioner. I have a perfume. I got a Ico mini eyeliner. I got the Kula face SPF. Is that about right? Oh, and then I got the Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. I'm going to throw my hat in with Ipsy this month. I really liked everything I got in Ipsy. I was very excited about the products. Birchbox. I was here for the Kula. I like the eyeliner. And I don't have a problem with the Burt's Bees, but I am not pleased with the scent of this Divine's milk. So you have to assume the smell of that will be the smell of the shampoo and conditioner. And shampoo and conditioners, I either want you to have no scent or a great scent. So yeah, that's Ipsy this month. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for viewing. Thank you for subscribing if you already have. Please subscribe if you already haven't. I would love to have you. Please hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. I do them every month. I want you guys to be safe, be well. Peace.